Kids Foot Locker and a Foot Locker outlet. Let's go. Let's go. Those of you guys that are new to my video, at the Foot Locker outlet, they pretty much have 50% off the entire freaking store, which is pretty fire. And this includes pretty much every sneaker, even the ones that are marked down already. The only exception is Jordan Retros as well as the Dunks. And this also includes most of the apparel that's here. Dude, is this the All City? Like, dude, the quality on these are freaking dope, dude. Yeah. And they even have sales tables where you get 50% off all the stuff right here. And they even give you a little cheat sheet for those of you guys that are bad at math. Damn, yo, Shaq Victory pumps, $40 freaking dollars. Holy cow. Holy cow. They got Reebok, what is it, Workout Plus? $30? So 15 freaking dollars. Got these Converse down to 10 bucks. Are you freaking serious? $17.50 for Vans, if you're into Vans. $17.50, yo. Got Chucks down to $20. What the f is this, dude? What the hell? Dude shoes, what the f is that? A Crocs down to $22.50. Street Fighter Workout Plus right here, $100 down to $20. Dapper Dan Suedes right here, 25 bucks, yo. 25 for these. These are clean, dude. Holy cow. Super, super long hair suede, $25. Holy cow. Superstars down to $30. 550s down to 30 freaking bucks. Are you serious? Remember how these were like hard to get just a little while ago? Got Blazers down to $30. Holy cow. Dude, got the Zion 3s down to 40 freaking dollars. Are you serious? And then also got the Shaq Victory, $40. Saw that a few minutes ago. I like these, man. Kind of like them. And then also got these Asics, the classics, right? Gel classics or something. I don't know, but clean shoe for 40 bucks, though. Mellows going for 40. But the Shaq Victory's 40. Gill Zeros for 40. This colorway, like, not the hugest fan of the colorway, but I love that metal. Love that metal or brass. Love that brass right there. These ain't bad. $40, dude. Zoom Freak 5's going for 40. Why not 0.6s, RSX. Got these Nitro running shoes. Normally $150 down to $40. Are you serious? Got a couple different colorways. I just realized Bossco got the old school pennies, man. Got the OG pennies. One of the dopest colorways. One of the dopest colorways, dude. Hell yeah. Interesting place, huh?
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, she told me.
Oh, the kids?
Oh, no.
The kids.
I'm talking about the 50 on the 50.
Oh, yeah. So the kids section, they have an extra, anything with the red tag, it's buy one, get one 50% off too.
Really?
So it's not an outlet yet, but they're working on it. They're working on it, yeah. Then got the old school pennies. I didn't buy these. I kind of feel stupid that I didn't. I was broke. There was like a period of time where I didn't have the cash like that, but yeah, man. Did you just throw these on?
Yeah. Well, I had them, yeah.
Because you got the DS Lacy on?
Oh, yeah.
Because I'm lacy and I do that too. So I'm checking out the kids' Foot Locker. This is technically not an outlet. Apparently they are transitioning, but they haven't transitioned yet. Anything with the red tag, you do get buy one, get one 50% off. So pretty good discount. Holy crap, this is the cheapest we've ever seen these. Holy cow. Oh, okay, we got some breaking news right here. So the wall on the left right here, you get 50% off, you know, because that's the normal deal here. And they got some jerseys. We'll definitely look at the jerseys, Nike dry fit jerseys. But on the back wall right here, you get 50% off and then an extra 50 on top. So that's what, 25% of the original sticker price. Holy cow. And that includes this right here. Holy cow, Pro Standard Steelers. This is a windbreaker? Dang, dude, this is fire. 130, so you get 50% off. That's 65. Then 50% off of that. That's 32.50. 32.50. Holy cow, that is crazy. And then they got LA Kings gear right here. Pro Standard. Holy cow. So this is 110. So that's 55. 27.50. 27.50 for these hoodies right here, they are super thin, but $27.50. That is crazy. That is crazy. I'm curious to see what size they have. They have small right there. They got XL right here. So they got sizes. And they got a bunch of Locker brand. Like if you have university, like if you have the UNC toes, you know, these are $10. $10. It's gonna match. People aren't gonna be like, hey, what brand is that? And they got Jordan shorts and stuff like that. Look, got the Air Jordan logo on the bottom. And these mother lovers, $60. So they're $15 after the discount. Long sleeve shirts, $45. That's what, $11.50, $11.25, something like that. And then a ton of t-shirts. So yeah, you're gonna find all kinds of discounts. Wow, this is fire, dude. Back on the men's wall, got these New Balance 550s, Golden State colorway, Golden State Warriors going for $80. 55 for the Zoom Freaks, 5s right there. Dang it. All right. And then dude got the Jason Kids right here, the 95s. Got the Flight 95s, 55 for those. NMD's going for $45. And then $60 for the Question pumps right there. And then no additional crazy sales on these, but be able to get them for 50% off, you know. $220 down to $110. What's this? $190 down to $95. $50 off for the Questions right there. Omni 2s, 574s. You know, some maroon colorway right here. Get them for hella cheap. Bronze 50 off. Air Max 97s. I really like this colorway. 50% off all these. These are $175 for those. And then they do have a couple Jordans. You don't really get the extra 50 on these. That's a huge pair right there. Size 14 or something. There's a size 12. How are these not on sale? We've seen these on sale everywhere. What the hell? Then on the regular 50% off, not the additional 50, got Memphis jerseys right here. Got Morant jerseys. And it is 50% off. What are these? $120, I believe? Yeah, $120, so $60. We got the PG jerseys right here as well. Let's see, do they have multiple sizes? What's going on? They have a large. I see a large right there. I see a small right there. So I guess they have at least, they have multiple sizes. XL, okay. I see small, large XLs on the Morant. Got Laker shorts right here. Normally $90 down to $45. I see small, large, XL, so multiple sizes with those. And then small and medium for the LeBron jerseys right here. Okay. They do have a few sales tables. Let's see if we see anything that we haven't seen on the walls. We got Adelaide slides right here, and I think this is $10 section. 20 down to 10 freaking dollars. Are you serious? Adelaide slides right here. All size 12 only. Got these Tonys. What is it? Chocolonely? Chocolonely? What the hell? But yeah, down to $10. Are you serious? Pretty freaking crazy. More of these going for $10. And got these Puma things for $10 too. This is a $30 table right here. So $15 for all these. That includes these workout pluses that we saw earlier. Some Chucks right here going for $15. $15, the red Chucks. More Adelaide slides right here. $15, dude. $20 table right here. 40 down to 20 for all these items. Obviously, sizing's definitely going to be an issue. It's not like they have a ton of stuff. And this is an outlet, so, you know. But definitely worth a try. $40 table right here. What the hell is this? I don't know what the hell this is. But do got Superstars right here. Do got, I saw all this stuff on the walls over there. $40 for all this stuff. Some Stewies right here. These are going for $35. Question pumps. Got these going for $40 right here. $40 for the Westbrooks right here. There's that extra 50% off section right here. This is just a regular 50% off. Got Steelers Letterman jackets right here, $185. So what is that? $92.50. That is pretty fire. And they got Clippers gear right here, 100 down to 50. These, they only have a couple though, so just a medium and large. Oh, they got this is the new era Alpha something. What is this? The Alpha Industries. This is one of the nicer ones. They're 230, and this is down to 115. And they got this one right here as well. The Alpha Industry stuff is dope. I was able to find a hoodie for hella cheap for one of the homegirls. Yeah, that was nice. Oh snap! These are already here. Really? The Cheetos, the hot Cheetos, LaMelo stuff. It like, oh no, this didn't have anything to do with the LaMelos, but they did have the LaMelo. Or is it the Stewies? What the hell am I talking about? All right, let's try that again. So they do have the Cheetos, the hot Cheetos branded Pumas right here. I think they made one of these in the Stewies, right? In the Stewies. I see small, medium. So they have, oh, I see large right here. So they do have sizes. Got sizes, $80 down to 40. And I do got Beavis and Butthead. Yeah, cornholio. Yeah, 30 down to $15. Got small, got mediums. Okay. Wasn't it not that long ago when we saw these at the retail stores, and it's already here for 50% off?
That's fire.
The sales cycles are just crazy, insane right now. Just super. So that's what we've been telling you guys. Just be patient. Be patient. Bossco and I have been preaching that forever. Holy cow. They do have Crocs, and I've checked a few times. Not too many great sizes, but yeah, McDonald's ones. Be able to get 50% off, not bad. Those are like $60, I think. I think these are normally 55. They got those right there going for 40. Camo, well, like wheat camo. They got wheat camo ones right here, $20. They got these ones with the little pockets right here, 50% off retail. But look at this gibbets right here, $2 down to $1. Really? $1 for these? Holy cow. Then they do got some hats. Nothing crazy though. They got some Pro Standard trucker hats, $20. By 20 down to 10. They do have fitteds. So 42 down to what? 21. So they do have some fitted hats, multiple sizes. 20 something dollars, not bad. They got Dodger ones up here. They got all kinds of Dodger ones. Okay. They do have a kids Foot Locker attached. This is not an outlet. I think it's transitioning, but not quite yet. But it is buy one get one 50% off all of the sales items here in the kids Foot Locker. So you get buy one get one 50 off. So you got two of these. It's gonna be like buy one get one for 50%. Buy one get one 50% off. So it'll be 120 for two pairs. Not too bad. So $60 a piece, pretty much. Trae Young's been on sale everywhere. So grab two of these bad boys. You're gonna get them for what? $60. Two for $60. Holy crap! There's another colorway right there. Huarache's down to $40. Blazers here is down to 40 as well. Then they got these for 50. Air Barrage Lows down to 60. And they got Air Max Pluses, Air Max 270s. And these prices are okay, but not the craziest. Foams, that's probably the cheapest we've seen foams in a long time. Okay. And they got these on sale right here. This is grade school. Toro Bravo 6s on sale. What the hell? They got the Jordan 3s. Yo, is this supposed to be yellow like that? But dang, dude, $40 for the 36s? Was this 37s? Cherry 12s, are you serious? Damn. $90 for these right here. Holy crap, the burgundies. Oh, this place definitely worth stopping by. They do have the little sales tables right here. I don't think I really saw too much. They got some Vans right here. Remember, these are buy one get one 50% off. Some Timberlands right there. No, nothing too crazy on this table though. All right, it's been a while since I've been kicked out of East LA. Like, when was the last time you got kicked out?
I've been kicked out maybe like January.
Okay, good. It's been a minute since they've kicked me out. So, all right, let's go. Straight to the clearance wall. I think 40% off. $210 for these bad boys right here. Size 10, 40% off. Are you serious? They got these right here as well. Jordan 1 high. Oh shoot, I forgot what colorway this is. This is a while back. Alright, 170, 50% off, 40% off. These going for 140, 40 off. Holy cow. 40% off the OGs right here. Holy cow. Moved over to the women's section. Look at this. Look at the price too. 105 and then another 40 off. Holy cow, really? Really? So these are going for what? $65? 65 Jordan? $65 Jordans? What the hell? Came over to the women's section, check out size 11 refurbs for my kiddo, and nah, nothing size 11. Not refurbs at least. But the Jordans, they did extended size pricing on these. That is just insane low. Holy cow. And these do come with these girly laces right here, but they also come with the standard ones, man. This is my size. I'm gonna have to pass though, man. I'm gonna have to pass. Spent way too much on moving and stuff recently, so I'm gonna have to pass. Damn. Say what's up to the homie Abraham. Man, I got dunks right here, size 10.5. 40 off of those, not bad. Got these weird looking mugs. These are ACG though. Everybody loves. Well, the ACG people love ACGs. $100 down to 60. Got these. I feel like these haven't even been out that long. Size 12, 140, so under $100. Are you serious? And then look at this. Take twos right here, $60. So what is that, like 36 bucks? Oh my goodness. More Dunk premiums right here, 140, or not 140, my bad. These are going for what, 115, 120? I don't know. Force is right above that 120. These are 14s as well. Got Jordan 7s, 160. These are size 9. 110 for the Luca 2s right here. 105 for these. Oh, these are Air Max SCs. Aren't these Air Max 1s? Ja 1s right here. In the mismatch colorway. 120 for those. These are size 12 though. Jordan 1 low OGs. These are down to 110. And you get 40 off on top. Holy cow. They even have refurbished clothing, which primarily just returns. 40% off. I didn't really see anything crazy, but definitely worth checking out for you guys. They even have refurbished tags. Oh yeah, this one right here. This is a refurbished tag right here, and comes out hella cheap, dude. So definitely worth a check, you guys. One thing I did find, look, refurbished tech fleece right here, 75 bucks. Dang, dude, slightly imperfect though. 40% off of that. Pretty decent trip, huh?
Yeah, not too bad. Both spots. The Foot Locker outlet and of course the regular outlet.
And
we got some stuff done without them kicking us out.
yeah, and we didn't even get kicked out.
Yeah,
Holy
man.
crap! Like I'm not used to that. I'm not used to that at East LA, but they have some good stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys check out Bossco channel, Bossco Mitchell. Yep. Make sure you guys check that out. And we out, man. Stay tuned. Got plenty coming. We out. I think I'm gonna throw this bad boy on right here, man. And I wanted to show you guys. Literally got this for $5. I got it towards the end of the Lid semi-annual clearance sale. They threw everything down to $5. They didn't do that the last January, which was kind of disappointing. They didn't do that last January. But yeah, $5, man. Even $10 wouldn't have been bad.